Say you have two shops right next to each other, selling the same product, but one is messy, dimly lit, looks uncared for, products scattered about, dusty shelves, you get the idea. The other is well lit, has products displayed in the window, is freshly painted, looked after and loved by the owner. Which one are you going to enter first? Same principle applies to online shops, such as those on Etsy. First impressions count. Let me show you how to make them great. Hi, I'm Natalia, and I'm part of the talent acquisition team here at Canva, and also a huge Etsy fan. The unique products and gifts, user-friendly platform, and the fact that you are supporting independent creators. What could be better? Lately, I've been thinking about opening my own store, and I'm learning a lot about making a good first impression. This is where banners can really help. Think of them as your digital storefront, attracting potential customers to explore more. So, firstly, they should spark interest. Use compelling imagery, colors, and typography to grab their attention. They ignite curiosity. Make them want to find out more. Hint at the story behind the brand. Highlight special offers or create a call to action they can't ignore. Finally, a banner should help build brand recognition, making you more memorable, so customers keep coming back. A great Etsy banner is not just there to look pretty. It's a powerful marketing tool that, when used correctly, can do all these things. Thankfully, they are very easy to make. From the homepage, type in what you want. Look at how many options you have. All different styles. Product-focused banners, showcasing your products, promo ones, highlighting special offers, discounts, or sales. What about a milestone banner to celebrate an achievement or an event? Maybe it's just pushing the brand. It really comes down to what will resonate with your audience. For instance, an endorsement banner highlighting customer feedback or ratings, that may be what they need to feel confident to buy. Or maybe changing it up every season is what your store needs to feel fresh. Now, you may have noticed there were a few different sizes. This is your regular banner, 1200 by 300 pixels, the minimum size. But Etsy also allows larger size. This is Magic Switch. It's a pro feature. If you are on a free account, you will just create a new design here. So it kind of looks the same, right? But what you're dealing with is nearly 3 times the pixels, which is going to mean you have much clearer picture. This is why I always try to work with the largest file possible. I will keep the branding as it is, but I will change the name and make it about crystals, much more like me. First, I will find a frame in Elements. Copy it like this. Open the Uploads tab and grab my photos, like this. Now, I will drag them into each frame. I have tried to show the healing side of my crystals. This shows what my focus is. To make it even more obvious, maybe I will add it in a customer quote. Oh, and the background. I like the darkness, but I want something earthy and tactile, like stone. That may be a bit cold. Maybe I should do wood. I can make a copy of this page here. Find some wood and simply drag it in. Which do you like better, stone or wood? This is the great thing about Canva. It's so easy to create another option so you can decide on what looks best. I think I will go with wood. Oh, you know what I could do with this picture? Background remover. Check this out. Make it a little bit bigger, rotate. Nice. This corner feels a little bit empty. Let's do a search for some more crystals to balance out the design. And just like that, I have an Etsy banner, ready to introduce my online store. It started like this and ended like this. Now it's so easy to update the banner anytime something special happens. Maybe I have a sale. Using the same font and colors, the brand is still coming through nice and strong. Or maybe I get some great feedback or win an award. You get the idea. It still feels like it's from the same store. To download, just go here. Select the download and choose PNG. Updating regularly is fine if you keep the brand intact. In fact, it's a great way to test what's resonating with your audience and keep them engaged. Now, I have another important thing to tell you, but first, have you subscribed to Canva's channel? If you are running an online store, you are going to find a ton of helpful how-to videos to take your business to the next level. Our tips from the team playlist have some helpful videos with tone about how to get the most out of background remover. They will be well worth watching after this video. Okay, the most important point I mentioned before is actually more of a time-saving trick. Yep, it's Magic Switch again. As we saw before, Magic Switch lets you resize your design and roll it out for all the other platforms you may use to promote your business. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Let's select them all. Hit continue and it will show a preview of each. A great way to check you have got the right sizes. Yep, they look good. Hit this button. And there they are, ready to go. You can adjust anything here, knowing that the size of the document is now correct for the platform. And when you are ready, download the file here. Isn't that simple? It transformed what was once a huge time sink into a straightforward single-click task. And if you like that, then you should check out the rest of Magic Studio. It's a real game changer. Anyway, that's how I create my Etsy banner. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to hear them. Put it in the comments below and we will get back to you. Hey, you're still here! That's fantastic news for you and your online store because we have even more valuable content to boost sales in our playlist. Want something to watch right now? This one may be just what you want. And a big thank you for watching. We really appreciate you making the time. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any crucial updates.